how to embed Instagram feed on Wix website. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Wix website, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is to actually add a widget to your page. So I will actually give you the link down below directly to this Instagram feed widget from elfsite.com. So all you have to do is to just log in your account, or if you don't have any account to that website, then you can actually sign up to that account to this website for free. Now, next thing that you want to do here is here it will lead you directly to your Instagram feed intro show. So what you want to do is to scroll down and you will see a lot of templates here. You will actually see around 7 templates there. So you have to choose your template. So for me, I want to use this post slider here, and it will look like this. Now, if you're done choosing your template, tap on continue with this template. And then if you have your business account, you can tap your business account and of course connect your Facebook. For me, I'll just use the public account and hashtag, and here you will your username or hashtag here on Instagram sources. So for me, I want to just use. What you can do next is here you will see, then here if you're done with that, you can actually add filters or sort it out, depends on you. Now if you're done filtering it out and sorting it out, then tap on add to website and it will look like this. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the upper right you will see publish there. Tap on that if you're satisfied with this. Tap on publish, and here it will lead you to the plan. Of course, if you're planning to use a widget, 3 widgets, tap on or choose their basic plan. They also have their pro plan and then their premium plan. But here, since we just want to use it for sample, then tap on the light or the free trial. Here, tap on select, and then here you will see copy code. Here you will see copy code, then tap on that copy code. Here, as you can see, you have successfully copied the code, and go back here to your Wix website. Now the next thing that you want to do here is on the upper left you'll see this page here. If you tap on this, you will see the different pages here. So choose the page where you want to actually put that Instagram feed. So for me, I just want to put it here. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the left side again, you will see a plus sign here, add elements. Tap on that and go here to embed code. Now under embed code, you will see here embed HTML. Tap on this, add to site, and then just paste the code that we just copied, and make sure that you've set it to code here, right? Not the website address, and tap on update. Now here you will see your HTML here, and what you want to do is to actually drag this or to resize this one, and then basically tap on publish. And now tap on save and continue, and then tap on done. Now here, if you go here to your preview, if you tap on this, it will actually swipe to different posts from IG, and basically that is how you embed Instagram feed on Wix website. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.